In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconnect a profile on Sprout Social with this full 2025 guide. If one of your social profiles has been disconnected, don't worry. This usually happens because permissions expired, a password was changed on the social network, or the platform needs you to reauthorize access. The good news is that reconnecting it is usually quick once you know where to look. Start by going to Sprout Social and signing in to your account. After you're logged in, look for the settings area, which is usually represented by a gear icon. From there, open either profile and permissions or connect a profile depending on how your account is laid out. Sprout Social's interface can vary a little, so don't be concerned if the wording looks slightly different on your screen. Once you're in the right section, locate the profile that needs attention. You'll typically see some kind of status indicator such as disconnected, reconnect required, or a warning icon. These labels are there to help you quickly spot which account is no longer properly connected. Select the affected social profile so you can begin the reconnection process. Next, click Reconnect. This will usually open a login window for the social network tied to that profile. Sign in using the account that has administrative access to the profile, page, or connected business asset. This part is important because using the wrong login can prevent Sprout Social from restoring full access. After signing in, review the requested permissions carefully, then click Allow or Authorize to complete the reconnection. After that, take a moment to verify the permissions and account selection. Make sure the correct Facebook page, Instagram account, LinkedIn page, X account, TikTok account, or Pinterest account is selected. Also confirm that all required permissions are still enabled. If anything is unchecked or missing, Sprout Social may not function correctly for publishing, analytics, or engagement tools. Once everything looks right, save your changes. Finally, test the connection to make sure it's fully working. Open the publishing calendar and create a test post. You can save it as a draft or publish it if that makes sense for your workflow. The goal here is simply to confirm that Sprout Social recognizes the profile as active again. Check that the platform no longer shows connection warnings or error messages. If everything looks good, your profile has been successfully reconnected. That's all it takes to restore access and get back to managing your content smoothly inside Sprout Social.